Nakatutok ang ilang Pilipino sa Amerika sa mga pulisiya ng US President hinggil sa taripa. Ang Filipino Chamber of Commerce sa Seattle, Washington State naniniwalang kayang punuan ng Pilipinas ang magiging epekto ng umiinit na trade war sa pagitan ng Amerika at China. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
We think we're in very good shape. We think we're doing very well. Again, there'll be a transition cost and transition problems, but in the end, it's going to be a beautiful thing.
Nagmamadali raw ang mga bansa para umabot sa kasunduan kay US President Donald Trump matapos ang anunsyo nitong 90-day pause sa reciprocal tariffs Miyerkules.
For the moves that the president has made, demanding that people treat the United States with respect. We're getting the respect we deserve now, and I think you're going to see historic deals, one after the other.
Idiniin ni Trump Huwebes na ang 145% na taripa sa China tuloy pa rin. Higit 80% ang ganting taripa ng China sa Amerika sa umiinit na trade war ng dalawang economic giants.
Everything is made in China, so ang expectation niyan is lalo pang tataas, diba, yung mga bilihin and all. So we're bracing for that, and let's see how in actuality yung impact niyan on the marketplace.
Abot 100 Filipino-owned businesses ang miyembro ng Filipino Chamber of Commerce na base sa Washington State. Pero dahil karamihan daw sa kanilang negosyo ay service-based, limitado ang epekto ng taripa ni Trump. Ang software development company ni Castro outsource ang trabaho sa Pilipinas. Bagamat okay ngayon, naghahanda na rin sa posibleng maging epekto nito sa mga kumpanya na kumukuha sa kanila.
Of course, you wanted to do more with less, right? So of course, you don't want anything that would disrupt, yung current trend, yung current prices. Yung mga target client kasi namin, mga enterprise companies, bigger corporation. And normally, if they have so much uncertainty, right, they hold off on projects that we would have gotten,
Sa gitna ng trade war ng China at Amerika, maganda raw tignan ng Pilipinas bilang trade partner.
Yung Philippines kasi, di ba, may mga manufacturing din tayo dyan, so, and also a consumer, a consumer of all these products, right? So if nag-diversify in any business, the key is diversification, right? So if you diversify yung clientele mo as well as yung suppliers mo, then that would be good in general for your business. Put up factories in the Philippines, made in the Philippines, that would be enable them to save a lot on tariff.
Samantala, bukas ang China sa dialogue kung may mutual respect at equality ayon sa Chinese Commerce Ministry Huwebes. Di raw paraan ng pressure at mga banta para tumiklop ang Beijing. Nagbabala rin ng ganti ang China kung ipagpapatuloy ng Amerika ang trade war. Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.